Hi everyone, today's video is all about the new updates that Microsoft Teams have released for Spring 2023. Let's kick it off with our first update, which is new apps and polls in channel meetings. This was rolled out in early March, so you should have access to this now. It's designed to empower teams to collaborate more effectively and increase meeting productivity. You can add apps to channel meetings the same way you add them to other meeting types. Go to the meeting details page for a scheduled channel meeting, then you will have to click the plus in the meeting header to open the app flyout, then select an app to add to the meeting. Alternatively, apps can be added from within an ongoing meeting. This can be done by clicking the apps button in the meeting U-bar. Our second update is the new Mention Everyone feature. The feature is for group chats. For example, if you had 5+ people in your group, it's going to start to take a while to type each individual out. So Teams have added a new feature where you can type the @ sign and start to type everyone, and it will automatically notify everyone within the chat. You can do this in meeting chats as well, which makes things that bit more efficient. The third update we want to show you is the new Avatars for Teams, which is now in public preview. Avatars for Teams gives those remote workers that much needed camera break, while still allowing you to collaborate effectively. Include more people in the conversation, whether they need a break due to video fatigue, are joining from a different time zone, or just feel more comfortable with their video off. These avatars are completely customizable, and more capabilities for these avatars will be coming soon too. Our fourth update is the ability to magnify slides that you're viewing when you're viewing them in PowerPoint Live. This is now available to all public previewers and will allow you to zoom in or out on a slide depending on how you want to view the slide. This will allow ease for users as you're able to alter the view to suit your needs. Our last but not least update is the new improvements to the Teams presenter window. During Teams meetings, the presenter will have a new presenters window while screen sharing, which will make multitasking away from the main meeting window that much more efficient. It will make active speakers' faces visible, and raised hands or other important meeting notifications will also be shown in this new window design. That concludes our video for today. We hope you enjoyed the updates, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.